learn to say if we like or dislike things. We'll also learn to say, I like this one, I like them both, I like them all. Useful if you're trying to choose something at a local market, for example. We will also learn to say, I don't like, but maybe in a slightly softer way. Okay, so we start off with the word j'aime. J'aime means I like. J'aime, j'aime. So you can say after j'aime, you can say the thing that you like. So j'aime le football, j'aime la natation, I like swimming, j'aime les Mercedes, j'aime la musique. Okay, so you can say j'aime and then the thing that you like. But what we can also do is we can say j'aime ça. Ça is kind of a that, okay? J'aime ça, I like that, I like it. J'aime ça. So I could say le bricolage, j'aime ça. Or le massage, j'aime ça. Le fromage, oh oui, j'aime ça. Le vin rouge, j'aime ça. Le jardinage, j'aime ça. Le golf, oh j'aime ça. Le football, j'aime ça. Les JO, j'aime ça. L'art floral, j'aime ça. So j'aime ça is I like that. J'aime ça, j'aime ça. You sometimes also see je l'aime, but this is just an easier way to start off being able to say j'aime ça. Okay. J'aime celui-là. Now, celui-là actually ends up sounding almost like celui-là when it's said fast. J'aime celui-là. Celui-là means that one there, that one basically. J'aime celui-là. J'aime celui-là. And you might say that if you are maybe choosing something in a market, you found a nice bracelet and you say, oh oui, j'aime celui-là. J'aime celui-là. Or maybe you want to have a closer look at one of these baskets. J'aime celui-là. I like that one. Here we're looking at some clothes. J'aime celui-là. J'aime celui-là. I like this one here. J'aime celui-là. Maybe you're in Marrakesh and doing a bit of bartering. J'aime celui-là. J'aime celui-là. I like that one. J'aime celui-là. I'm giving you here the masculine form. The feminine form could be celle-là. But often we hear celui-là. Celui-là is often something that we hear. J'aime celui-là. Now, we're being given a choice and we can't choose j'aime celui-là or j'aime celui-là. We like them both. So the way to say I like them both is j'aime les deux. J'aime les deux. I like them both. J'aime les deux. Le vin ou la bière? Ouh, j'aime les deux. Le chocolat ou les bonbons? J'aime les deux. Le rouge ou le bleu? J'aime les deux. La pizza ou le hamburger? J'aime les deux. Le cricket ou le rugby? J'aime les deux. So les deux is both. I like both of them. J'aime les deux. If there were three things, funnily enough, it would be j'aime les trois. J'aime les trois. J'aime les quatre. Okay? So j'aime les deux is I like both. What about if we like all of it? J'aime tout. J'aime tout. I like all of it, or I like all of them. J'aime tout. C'est très difficile. J'aime tout. Vous avez choisi votre dessert? J'aime tout. C'est très difficile. I like all of them. It's too tricky. Too hard to choose. So j'aime tout. So tout means all. J'aime tout. I like them all. I like it all. And how about now to say that you don't like something? So here we have again this pas to make it negative. We've seen that already in the last couple of lessons. So je n'aime pas means that I don't like. So we've got the ne and the pas sandwiching that verb, the verb being like aime, the action. What am I doing? I'm liking it. So je n'aime pas is the proper way of certainly writing it and saying it, But just like before, that ne in speech, we really don't hear it very much. So j'aime pas, I don't like. J'aime pas, ooh, j'aime pas, don't like it. J'aime pas, you can just say j'aime pas ça, don't like that. J'aime pas, even by itself, I don't like. But you can also, this little word afterwards, trop, means too much. So it just softens it slightly. So j'aime pas trop, I don't like it too much, I don't like it that much. I don't much like, I suppose in English we might say. J'aime pas trop. So l'andouillette is this sausage, which is a speciality of near where I am speaking to you from. And it's a very interesting sausage. Look it up if you're interested. Andouillette. But for me, certainly, I would say j'aime pas trop l'andouillette. J'aime pas trop. What about tequila? Might we say we like that or don't really like it? Not really. Don't really like it too much. J'aime pas trop le tequila. J'aime pas trop. La politique anglaise, English politics. You might be a big fan, but you might not. And then you might say j'aime pas trop la politique anglaise. Marmite, you love it or you hate it, apparently. J'aime pas trop, I don't like it that much. J'aime pas trop, or j'aime pas. What about if we want to say, we're kind of a bit indifferent, we don't really have an opinion either way, we're not that fussed. This picture here of this man is a picture of the kind of body language that goes with this, boff. It's pronounced like this, like it says, boff. It's very much that kind of, whatever, don't really care. So, American sandwich complet, boff. Not really bothered about that, I don't have any strong feeling about it. Nutella, boff. Les fléchettes, boff. Stamp collection, you can say it about people as well. Prince Harry, boff. Kind of a bit indifferent, not that bothered, boff. And the last one, if you're being offered a choice between two things, or you want to say it's all the same to me, it doesn't matter, we can say ça m'est égal, and it sounds more like this, ça m'est égal. What it means is it is, or that is equal. Égal is equal to me. Ça m'est égal. Ça m'est égal. Ça m'est égal. Ça m'est égal. So you might be offered, well, maybe not in France, but if I was showing you these two pictures or offering you which way round and you weren't bothered, it was equal to you, all the same to you, ça m'est égal. Ça m'est égal. Whichever. Ça m'est égal. I'm not bothered. How about thé ou café? Thé ou café? Somebody's offering you a drink. Not tea or coffee? Ça m'est égal. I'm not bothered. Either way is fine. Ça m'est égal. Coca ou Coca Zero? Coca ou Coca Zero? If you don't have a preference, either one is fine for you. Ça m'est égal. Ça m'est égal. Maybe you're offered either ketchup or mayonnaise with your chips. Ketchup or mayonnaise? Ça m'est égal. Ça m'est égal. I'm not bothered. Either way is fine. Ça m'est égal. Ça m'est égal. So a little recap. To say what you like, you need to say j'aime. J'aime, I like. J'aime ça, I like it, or I like that. J'aime celui-là is how to say I like this one or that one. This one there, that one there. J'aime les deux is how you say I like them both. I like the two. J'aime les deux. Oh, it's too hard to choose what you're going to say. You like it all. J'aime tout. J'aime tout. To say you don't like something, put the pas after j'aime, and remember you can drop that negative no when you speak if you want to. So j'aime pas, j'aime pas, j'aime pas, j'aime pas le marmite, j'aime pas le Nutella. But if you want to soften it a bit, you can say j'aime pas trop, J'aime pas trop. I don't like it that much. J'aime pas trop. J'aime pas trop l'andouillette. And bof is a great informal expression to show indifference. So bof. Yeah, not bothered. Bof. Yeah, not really fussed about whatever it might be. And the last one, if you're not bothered either way, if you're being offered a choice and either option is fine for you, ça m'est égal. It's equal to me. Either one is fine. Ça m'est égal. I hope that helped. And if you want to, and you haven't done so yet, you can download a complimentary cheat sheet if you just click the link in the description below. À la prochaine. Au revoir.